Ever wonder why airplane wings wiggle? It's all about engineering brilliance, not a cause for panic. Those wings are designed to flex. As the aircraft lifts off, wings bear the weight, and the upward force makes them flex upwards. When cruising at high altitudes, they face the fierce winds and turbulence. The flexing wings absorb these shocks, providing stability and maintaining the structural integrity of the aircraft. During landing, the wings flex downward, absorbing the impact, keeping the ride smooth. So next time you see the wings wiggle, remember, it's the marvel of engineering at work, keeping you safe and comfortable on your journey. Stay curious, stay enlightened, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.